My name is Dirk-Jan Koch and I'm the Chief Science Officer of the Netherlands Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The Embassy Science Fellowship Program is a new and exciting program in which we try to cross the bridge between academia and embassies. The setup is that the embassies could come up with proposals for where they needed academic advice, but it also helps the scientists to get a better understanding of the policy environment.
When I saw the call of the ESF program, I immediately got really excited. For me, it is both a great opportunity to get to know the work of the embassy from close by, and in addition to play my part in bridging the gap between the work of the embassy and the work of me as a researcher.
We as an embassy, we did ask the fellow to look into youth engagement. Youth engagement is an important issue here in Kenya. There's a lot of youth, but also to understand what's happening at the political level, what's happening at the economic level, what's happening in society, and how can we make sure that youth is better participating in society.
The Ministry of Foreign Affairs initiated this program because we really had the feeling that our embassies would benefit from more academic insights. And it is not just the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. We work together with the Ministry of Education, with the Ministry of Economic Affairs and Climate. We all work in a collaborative fashion.
The main question we asked our fellow to answer was in the field of sustainable aviation, which is of course a very relevant topic in the field of climate change. And our research fellow really helped us in providing more information how we can work more closely together between France and the Netherlands to solve this topic.
My research is related to the operational aspect of the aviation. We want to answer how we can improve sustainability by reducing emissions in flight.
I think it's really strong about the Embassy Science Fellow Program is that it brings together the academic world on the one hand and the diplomatic world. Specifically in the case in France, what I thought was really strong is that they connected the Erasmus Descartes Conference, Young Talents Program and the ASF together and create a more holistic approach, a broader view to a societal question.
The program will offer the embassies insight into the questions that they are dealing with, but not only that, they also get access to the network of the academics. We see that the academics can open doors that often remain closed for the diplomats.
You go outside the academic circle, you go outside your comfort zone, and suddenly you're at the table with the Dutch ambassador to India. You are suddenly at the table with policymakers, and you are suddenly at the dinner table with government officials. And all these activities, which can be formal meetings, which can be informal receptions, were very useful to both build my network and improve the impact of my ongoing work.
The added value of the fellow working here at the embassy was that he put questions to us that we wouldn't have thought of, that he looked at dilemmas and challenges in a completely different manner.
What really makes me enthusiastic about the program is that it offers you a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to enter into a new world, in this case an embassy, and to really delve into it and to get to know their procedures, their workings, their goals, their ambitions, the people that work there, and to find your own role in it as a researcher and play your part in it through the research that you conduct for the embassy.
Personally, I'm really impressed with the results of the program so far. From Istanbul to Paris, Nairobi, Jakarta, anywhere I see that really new ties are being forged between the diplomats and the scientific community, and they will really outlast the duration of the program.